So what had happened was, okay, I was sitting on the couch. I was minding my own. I wasn't talking to my mom. I wasn't doing anything. I was just minding my own. Okay, I was laughing because there was this commercial on the TV. It was a little bit funny, you know. My mom was sitting next to me, you know, and then all of a sudden she says, "And that's why you can't clean a room." I was like, what? Like, wait, what did I do to you? So this is for you, mommy, to prove that I can clean a room. Just not this one. Okay, I see you. Like, can I just note, like, there are clothes under my bed. Yeah, so we're gonna get started. I've been looking for this, my camera thing. Look, guys, it's so much cleaner. It's so much cleaner. Okay, moving on. You have my bed. Yes, girl. And I know there's a bunch of stuff up there. But we're gonna sort it out. And yeah, use my unworked out stomach. I can't see what's right there, but it's my roommate's chair. And I'm gonna use it to do stuff. I'm so sorry, Bridge. I'm not a good roommate. She probably hates me. Why don't I use my own chair? Like, what? Let y'all know, in order to make this hoodie, I borrowed these scissors from my roommate. Check out the video, okay? Because for taking her scissors, I might not make it back alive. So y'all better watch the video because I risk a lot for y'all. I've been looking for this. She finished! Oh God. Woo! And blanket. My bed has officially been made. Looks like we're back to square one, y'all. I feel like I need to make room on this bed. One down. Welcome back. Hello. Finally clean. Yo, my baby. No! Oh my gosh. Now my glasses are fine. Okay, oh god. That thumbnail looks okay. I'm gonna go. Peace out. I gotta work out. Bye. This is like, it's a thing. Okay, look, y'all, look. So this is what we have to work with. It's my little fan on the floor, the windows. If you can see right there, some bird took a doo-doo, like a super saiyan shit on my window. Rude ass. And then if you turn to the couch over here, this is all the stuff that is gonna go on the bed and on the walls and stuff. So let's get decorating. Oh, do I even look pretty? Like, I don't know. So yeah, let's get decorating. I just want to preface by saying, like, it's not fitting across the entire thing, so we're just not gonna care right now. So I changed because, well, people are allowed to change. We'll figure out what to do with these in a second. That's what we have to decorate the room a little bit, so let's get started. Sorry, that was inappropriate. So I'm back. Hey y'all, sorry for leaving. The state of this room is still pretty much the same as it was before, except now the couch is free and open to do stuff. So I think I'm gonna do stuff. It's literally so cute. Like, look at him, he's so happy. That's done. And I know that was really short, but it's basically the room. Okay, yeah, we're good.